Dates are sweet, dark brown fruits and grow on palm trees. The consumption of dates is very beneficial to health. This is because they contain a lot of minerals like calcium, phosphorus, potassium, iron, sodium, zinc and magnesium. The date also contains a lot of vitamins such as riboflavin, niacin, folic acid, thiamine, vitamin A and vitamin K. Next, we share the greatest benefits of the date for your health. 1. Relief from constipation and intestinal disorders. Dates are prescribed for people suffering from constipation. They are rich in soluble fiber that causes bowel movement and relieves constipation. This fruit also contains nicotine, which treats intestinal disorders. Certain vitamins found in the dates also prevent the growth of bacteria, and help in the growth of the beneficial bacteria of the intestines. 2. Stronger bones. Dates are advisable to strengthen the bones because they contain minerals such as copper, magnesium and selenium. These minerals also help fight bone diseases such as osteoporosis. For these reasons, these fruits are a great food to keep the bones strong and healthy. 3. Treats anemia. Since the dates are rich in iron, they are very useful for those suffering from anemia. Dates can compensate for low iron levels in people with anemia. This can help with night blindness and increase the body's energy levels. Dates also relieve the fatigue that accompanies anemia. 4. Allergy relief. More than 23 million people in the U.S. suffer from seasonal allergies. This can be treated by organic sulfur compounds. Dates have organic sulfur, though many foods we eat today do not. Because of this, they are very good at relieving allergies. 5. Stimulates weight gain. Another reason to eat dates is because they help to gain weight in a healthy way. This is due to its essential sugars, vitamins, and minerals. Even though most people just want to lose weight, it is important to stay with a healthy body weight. Dates can help people with low weight gain healthy weight. 6. Increases energy. If you are looking for a quick way to get energy, try eating a few dates. Dates help because they contain many natural sugars like fructose, sucrose and glucose. Many people, including athletes, consume dates before starting an activity that consumes a lot of energy. 7. Healthy nervous system. Dates have vitamins that help in the correct functioning of the nervous system. Dates contain potassium and therefore also keep the nervous system in action, helping the brain to stay alert and clear. 8. Heart health. Dates are also very useful for keeping the heart healthy. The reason for this is that the dates have potassium, which helps prevent heart disease like strokes. Dates also reduce cholesterol in the body, which helps heart health and blocks heart disease. 9. Increases sexual health. To increase sexual energy, mix dates with goat's milk and soak overnight. Drink the mixture in the morning with honey and cardamom powder. This blend has been used for years to increase sexual capacity and decrease sterility caused by sexual disorders. Dates help sexual health because they have flavonoids and estradiol, which are known to increase testicle size, weight, sperm count and mobility. 10. Reduces the risk of abdominal cancer. There are studies that show that the dates decrease the risk of abdominal cancer in people of all age groups. This is because the dates have a large amount of soluble fiber. If you eat dates often, fiber will reduce the chances of intestinal diseases that can cause abdominal cancer. Dates also eliminate harmful germs from the digestive system, which decreases the risk of abdominal cancer. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.